Alright, hello, good morning everyone. So this is my maple cutting, my famous, most viewed video maple cutting. Well, one of them, the one in Bonsai. Baxter, why are you whining? And I'm just gonna repot it into this 5-gallon. It was in this little 2.5, 3. I don't know. I tried to find another one that was short, but I couldn't find one, so we're just going to use this one. By the way, not a sponsor. I just have some of their pots because I used to work at a nursery. Garden center, really. Anyway, so I just filled it up with potting soil. The potting soil I used is the Fox Farm Ocean Forest. It's my favorite. I don't mind paying a little extra for good dirt. And I'm just... I gotta get these weeds out first. If only I had 3 hands. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop these little weeds out. And then, let's gonna pop it in here. And then basically, obviously, I'm gonna fill it up with dirt. And then I'm gonna use... I've been trying the Epsom salts now. So I'm just putting that in everything. And then I use the Master Nursery Master Start. Also put that in there. And then when I water it in, I'm going to water it in normally. And then I'm going to water it in with the Master Nursery B1. Just to help it with the transplant shock. And we just want to give it all the tools we can to be successful in life. And that's it. I'm not going to repot the other one yet because I just defoliated it, which I know it's kind of late to do that, but so I'm going to wait maybe a month before I repot the big one, just because I want to see if it's going to grow back or if I killed it. Hopefully not. Anyway, so that's it. And then I'll just put this back over in the garden where it was. My dog is after a rat or something over here. And he is just one-track minded about it. How deep he is in that wisteria? Yeah, we're talking about you. Come here. Come here. This is Baxter. He's a rescue. We got him in like June, I think. He's a good dog, pretty much. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys are having a good day. See you next time.